Now we have to see example 10 from dynamics. The range of a refill bullet is 1000 meter when alpha is the angle of projection, so that if the bullet is fired with the same elevation from a car traveling 36 km per hour towards the target, the range will be increased by 1000 into root 10 alpha by 7 meters. We have to prove this. Range value is increased value is 1000 into root 10 alpha by 7 meter. Solution. Let take u meter per second be the velocity of projection. The horizontal range is r equal to 2 u squared sin alpha cos alpha by g. That range value is given in the problem. So that value is 1000. So r equal to 1000. So 2 u squared sin alpha cos alpha by g equal to 1000. That is keep in equation 1. Next, r equal to, we have to split the above equation. Range value is split into her velocities u sin alpha into u cos alpha. The u sin alpha is vertical velocity, u cos alpha is horizontal velocity. Therefore, r equal to 2 by g horizontal velocity into initial vertical velocity. We have to keep this equation in 2. When the bullet is fired from a moving car, the horizontal velocity is increased. So increased velocity value is 36 km per hour is given. We have to change this, convert kilometer into meter, then r into seconds. That is equal to 36 into 1000 by 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So we have to put 1 hour equal to 60 into 60. Then we can simplify this. We can get 10 meter per seconds only velocity is increased. Now horizontal velocity is increased. That is value equal to u cos alpha plus 10. As there is no change in the vertical motion, new initial vertical velocity equal to u sin alpha. Now we have to substitute these new velocities in equation 2. Then r dash equal to new velocity applied here. So range is changed r dash. R dash equal to new horizontal range is r dash equal to 2 by g. Horizontal velocity is increased, that is u cos alpha plus 10. In vertical velocity is no change, so u sin alpha is put here. Then we have to find out increased range value. So we have to get difference from 3 and 2. 3 and 2, r dash minus r equal to, we have to subtract from 3 to 2. So r dash minus r, equation r dash is new equation 2, then r is already put in the above equation. So you can get 2 by g u cos alpha plus 10 into u sin alpha, that is equal to 2 u squared sin alpha cos alpha. We have to substitute r dash value and r value in here. Then we can get 2 by g u cos alpha plus 10 into u sin alpha minus r value is 2 u squared sin alpha cos alpha by g. Then you have to multiply the first two terms, u cos alpha, u sin alpha. So u squared sin alpha cos alpha 2u, then 2u squared cos alpha sin alpha by g plus 2 into 10 20 u sin alpha by g minus 2u squared sin alpha cos alpha by g. Then first and last term is cancelled. Then we can get 20 u sin alpha by g. R dash minus r equal to 20 u sin alpha by g. That is, we have to kept equation number 3. From first equation we can get, you have to keep right left hand side u squared only, then remaining terms goes into right hand side, then we can get u squared equal to g into 1000 by 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 1000 by 2 cancel, then 500 g by sin alpha cos alpha. Putting this u value, u squared, we have to get u squared value in 4. From 4 we can get u equal to root of 500 g by sin alpha cos alpha. Putting this u value in equation number 3, r dash minus r equal to 20 u sin alpha by g. Here u value is root of 500 g by sin alpha cos alpha. Then 20 into sin alpha is, we can split sin alpha, root sin alpha into root sin alpha. Then numerator and denominator sin alpha is cancelled. Then g value also root sin alpha in numerator, denominator is g. Then we have to cancel root g. Then we can get denominator root g only. This implies 20 into 10 into 10. 500 is 100 into 5. We can split 500. 5 into 100. 100 root 100 is above. We can get in the outside 10. So that is equal to 20 into 10 into root of, then root sin alpha by root cos alpha equal to root tan alpha. So 20 into 10 into root tan alpha into 5 by root g. Now 20 into 10 is 200, root tan alpha into root 5 divided by, we can put the value g 9.8. Then we can multiply numerator and denominator by root 10. Then we can get r dash minus r equal to 200 into root tan alpha into root 5 into root 10 by root 9.8 into root 10. That is equal to 200 into root tan alpha, root 5. We can split root 10 is root 5 into root 2. Then root 5 into root 5, 5 becomes 5. Then 5 into 200 is 1000. Then root 10 alpha multiplied by root 10 alpha into root 2 by root of 98. Then 98 we can take square root value 7 root 2. Then root 2 root is cancelled. Then remaining we can get 1000 into root tan alpha by g meters. 1000 into root tan alpha by 7 meters. This is increased range value. Thank you.